create a new group chat on Messenger. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to firstly click on the pen like button in the top right corner. When you click on the pen like button, then here you can see in the top of the option you can see the create a new group or create a new room. So you have to click on the create a new group, and then here you can add the all the participants that you want to add to your group. Let's say I am adding these groups, and then you can search all the people that you want to add, and then you can also add him. And after this you have to click on the next, and then here you can see the all your participants, and here you have to type your uh, group name, and you can type all the group name you want. And then after that you have to click on the create in the top right corner. When you click on the create, then your group chat your new group chat is created. So that's it, that how you can create a new group chat on Messenger. Here you can see this is my group chat with this name. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video and comment below that. It works. Have a good day.